Now our to given, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point 10 centimeters from away its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle that is given. So first we have to construct a circle with a radius 6 centimeters. Now that circle to from 10 centimeters away from its radius, we have to draw two tangents that are here given. So for constructing that one purpose, now how to we draw means, first if we observe the rough diagram, so we have to take a circle. Now that circle with radius 6 centimeters we taking. Now this circle to 10 centimeters away from the center. So from that center 10 centimeters distance we taken a point. That means from this point of the circle to observe means that is nothing but 4 centimeters only. With 4 centimeters a point to we observed. Now from here to we draw two tangents. So for drawing tangents we can't get exact we draw. So that purpose what we have to do means, we have to bisect these points by using compass. By using compass we bisect this point, and here the bisect of the point 2 we have to draw a circle. That circle is touched the points OP and O and P, that will be touched. So at which points it will be touched the circle, from that point to P we join. Now at which points it join, that points AB and PA PB are the tangents with equal lengths. That model we can draw. Okay, now we draw a circle with center O and the radius is 6 centimeters. Okay, so that is only construction step writing. We draw a circle with center O and its radius 6 centimeters. Now from an outer point 10 centimeters to we have to draw tangents. So from an outer point 10 centimeters we want to take. That means from here to means again 4 centimeters. So here to, from that center to 10 centimeters to we draw a line segment, that is P. Now this length is 10 centimeters. Okay, so from the center with 10 centimeters drawn a line segment ten centimeters. Segment already here we written 10 centimeters. So line segment OP. Now for getting tangents exact purpose we have to bisect OP. So bisect OP. So how we bisect the line segment OP? With using compass more than half length. From O to we draw 2 arcs, from P to also we have to draw 2 arcs. from O to drawing 2 arcs, and with the same measurement from P to also draw 2 arcs. Now that arcs to join, where it will be touched the line segment with 10 centimeters, that point X. Okay, so bisect OP and the bisector point X. Now from X with OX or XP radius draw a circle. Now with center as X with OX or XP as radius, draw circle. So now with center X drawing a circle. Now the circle is touched O and P points. Now where it will be touched, that points will be taking as A and B. So both circles touched points taking as AB. Now we join AP and BP. Now these 2 points are our needed tangents. Okay, so both circles met at points A and B. Now join PA PB. Needed tangents to us. Okay, now here 10 centimeters there, and if we measure OA and OB, these lengths are nothing but 6 centimeters. Why? Because the radius of the circle 6 centimeters we said. So it is 6, it is 10. That purpose, if we want to measure, we already know that at point A 90 degrees and at point B 90 degrees there. So by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAP, now OP is the hypotenuse. So OP square is equal to OA square plus OAP square. Now OP, that is nothing but 10 centimeters given, 10 square equal to, now OA radius, that is 6 square, and AP length we don't know. So that AP length is must be 8 centimeters only. Now from here by Pythagoras theorem we will verify 10 square equal to 100 and 6 square is nothing but 36 plus AP square. Now plus 36 transfer to this side, that is minus 36. 100 minus 36, that is nothing but 64. AP square equal to 64, then AP is nothing but root 64 is 8 centimeters. So AP length is came as 8 centimeters. So if we measure, we get AP length as 8 centimeters. Okay. So here our to given, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters. So here we have to draw 2 concentric circles with 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. And we already said that concentric circle means yes, 2 or more circles with the same center, then only they are called the concentric circles. So here 6 centimeters circle to drawn the tangents or touched the smaller circle with radius 4 centimeters. So if we observe the rough diagram, so if we drawn two circles with 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters as radius, it is 4 centimeters and it is 6 centimeters. Now what we have to do, that bigger circle to bisect, and by that bisect, where is the bisector point there, that point to we have to draw the circle. Now where it will be touched, the smaller circle, that smaller circle to that bigger circle to we have to draw the tangents. In this model we have to draw. Okay, so if we drawing the diagram, how it will be, now we see. Now here we drawn two concentric circles with center O, and one circle's radius is 4 centimeters and another circle's radius is 6 centimeters. Okay, so we drawn two concentric circles with center O and radius are 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters we drawn. Now what we have to do means, we have to bisect the larger radius. So if we taken the outer point P, from P and O draw two arcs that are met at a point. So if we draw the arcs with more than half of the line length, now they will be met a point and it will be the bisector point. Now from the bisector point to if we draw the circle, so first we have to bisect OP, and the bisector point is X. Now with the X as center, with OP or OX as radius, draw a circle. So with center X as radius OX or OP, OX or XP, draw a circle. Now with center X, if we draw, the circle is here, this model coming. So OX or OP with radius drawn, and now the circle bigger one to drawn one is touched the smaller one at the points A, B. Now joining PA, PB. Now this PA, PB are our required tangents. So the drawn circle touches the smaller circle at A and B, join PA, PB. Our required tangents. Our required tangents. Here given a problem, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degrees. So here with 60 degrees drawn tangents given, but center to how much it has the distance, that is not given. So we have to find from that center to how much distance, the point. We know that radius of the center is 5 centimeters, but that center to how much distance we don't know. So if we draw a rough diagram, that is from a center with 5 centimeters a circle there, and from an outer point we drawn tangents, and that two tangents have with equal length. From an outer point to we drawn tangents have equal length, that one we know already. So the tangent contact points are A, B, feeling. Now the circle with center O. So the two tangents inclined each other at 60 degrees. Now here it will be the 60 degrees angle there. We know that OB, OA are radius and angle A, angle B are 90 degrees we know. So here OAP and OBP are right triangles. So right triangles, and here 60 degrees given. Already we know that angle OPA and OPB lengths are equal. Already we discussed that one. That means now it will be divided to two equals. OP is the angle bisector we said. That means now OPA length and OPB length is 30 degrees. So if we write that one, so first, so given angle O, not O, angle APB equal to 60 degrees. OP is angle bisector. So angle OPA is equal to angle OPB, that is angle APB to half. That means 60 by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. That is the 30 degrees. And we know that angle A is 90. So if any one triangle we taken, so if I am taking angle triangle OAP, so in triangle OAP is a right triangle. So here angle P is 30 degrees. Now we know angle OPA is 30 degrees. Now these 30 degrees to OA is opposite side, and OA is, that is adjacent side, and OP is hypotenuse. So we know the opposite side and we want to know OP length, that is hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but trigonometric ratio is sine. So sine 30 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So here 30 degrees to opposite side is OA and the hypotenuse is OP. So sine 30, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine 30 1 by 2 equal to OA length. So OA is radius of the circle, that is 5 centimeters by OP. We want to find OP length by that cross multiplication. OP equal to 2 into 5, that is nothing but 10 centimeters. So with 10 centimeters from an outer point, So P point is 10 centimeter. From 10 centimeters point to we want to draw the tangents. So before models only we want to draw. Okay. First here we drawn a circle with center O. Drawn a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeters. So the radius of the circle OA length OB length is equal to 5 centimeters. That is, so now here we get OP equal to 10 centimeters. So from O to outer point 10 centimeters, drawn a line segment. So with 10 centimeters from O, drawn a line segment OP. Next, with more than half of the length from O, drawn 2 arcs, from P drawn 2 arcs, and the bisector, the joining of these two bisector point is taken as X. So now perpendicular bisect OP and the point is X and the perpendicular point is X, bisecting point is X. Now X as center with OX or XP radius, draw a circle. So with X as center, OX or XP as radius, draw a circle. Now this drawn circle is touched the before circle at A and B points. Now drawn circle is touched the before circle at A and B points. Now join AP, BP. These are the required tangents. Now join AP and BP are required tangents. Okay.